the reigning champ draws first blood. The python retaliates with its signature move. If the gator can't break the chokehold, its fate will be sealed. Just when all seems lost, it manages to free its head to launch a counterattack. With one of the most powerful bite forces in the animal kingdom, the gator's jaws clasp around the snake's throat with a vice-like grip. It's now a battle of wills. The first to flinch will surely die before beginning the big squeeze. Struggle as it might, the juvenile gator is not in the same weight class and is quickly choked out.